how to set battery protection to basic adaptive maximum on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Battery. After click on Battery, you will see click on Battery Protection. After click on battery protection, make sure turn on battery protection button. After turn on battery protection button, here showing you basic, you will see basic and maximum is here, adaptive is showing here. So if you want to set maximum, click on maximum. If you want to set adaptive, click on adaptive. If you want to set basic, click on basics. So you will select basic, maximum, adaptive from here. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set battery protection to basic adaptive maximum on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.